Hello, good evening. My son, Limingchang Alfonso, is not home. This is the latest dinner at home. His dinner, my son dinner at home, Blackford, Dover, tapos Singapore. This one take home only from Happy Coffee Shop. Yeah, use my listen point CDC voucher with just now we bought some bread there from Kofu, okay? Okay, enjoy folks at home Blackford, Dover, tapos Singapore. My son dinner, okay? He's not yet home, okay? This is how I call him. I don't know if he's coming home or okay, this one is the bread that we bought just now in this okay. Enjoy folks at home Blackford, Dover, tapos Singapore. My son Liming Alfonso dinner. There's Leasing Point, the retired man. Okay, June 14, 2026. Enjoy, folks. This is Japanese, okay? Mackerel with chicken, okay? Enjoy. Singapore. My son dinner, okay? June 14, 2026. Enjoy, Singapore.